You can literally wear anything with a trench coat. End the video. It's really that simple. No, but really, it's really that simple. I don't think there is any way to mess this up unless, you pair it with shorts and sandals. And if you see a guy wearing a trench coat without any pants, I would run. But since we're here, I might as well talk about it. So in this video, I'm gonna briefly go over the trench coat, such as choosing the right fit and color, as well as show a few sample outfits to spark up some ideas. Let's get to it. So like the trench coat comes in a variety of different styles, such as single or double-breasted, long or short, belted or non-belted, flaps or no flaps. But if you were to ask me what style to choose, I would recommend you go with the traditional double-breasted design. Now, not only has the style stood the test of time, but it has a pretty cool history behind it, and I'll spare you that. But that could be used as a conversation piece when someone compliments on how much they love your coat. It's happened to me before, and looking back, I probably didn't notice it, but it could have been a way of flirting. It's probably why she just nodded her head and walked away when I just spilled a whole bunch of menswear history behind this. But yeah, this is why I'm not a pickup artist on YouTube. Also, you have the freedom to modify your silhouette if you have the belt, which I will show later on. Colors. Now, I suggest you stick with khaki if it's your first trench coat. I think khaki is a great signature color for this piece, but you have three classic options to choose from: khaki, navy, and olive. Now, as for the fit, you should be able to easily fit your trench coat over a sweater or suit jacket. It's not meant to be super slim and restrictive. If you're in a store, try to see if you can easily throw it on and off without feeling stuffy. Let's talk length. Now, the current trend right now is wearing a very loose and long trench coat, which is fine because you have more added coverage. But a mid-length trench coat like this one is also fine, and it's much easier to carry around. Just don't go for those very short trench coats that end at the waist. It's a trench coat you want, not a trench jacket. All right, so let's get to the outfits now. Now, for my first outfit, I went casually with an unstructured charcoal suit paired with a black roll neck. I sometimes like to cinch the belt from behind to give me, a thinner looking waist, which is why I recommend getting a belted trench coat. Okay, here it is. Yeah, you can use this to adjust your silhouette to your liking. Now, darkening your base layer is such an elegant way to make this trench coat stand out. It also doesn't have to be a suit. You could also wear all black casual pieces if you like. But for this video, I just thought it looked very clean with, a dark suit and turtleneck. Now, speaking of casual pieces, here's a very simple outfit: a cashmere sweater with jeans and boots. And that's like the beauty of the trench coat. It works with anything and can work for any situation, no matter where you're going or what you're doing or errands and whatnot. Now, the next outfits, I decided to pair the khaki trench coat with matching tones such as cream, brown, and off-white. I also tried different styles of shoes just to show you how much versatility you have. These have been in my rotation lately. Let me know which shoes you like best. And here is another business casual outfit. I'm literally winging everything here and throwing whatever I have nearby me, but it looks so polished with a tie and sport coat. But you could also replace that sport coat and just wear the trench by itself and wear the tie and just cinch it at the waist or fully buckle it for a cleaner look. Or you could just lose the tie, keep the dress shirt, trousers, shoes, trench coat, tie, cinch, buckle, good to go, polish. So it's pretty easy, right? Now, before you go off to shop for one, I just want to make it clear that not all trench coats are created equal. Please don't go on Amazon or Temu and buy a $20 or $40 trench coat. It's not going to be made from the rain repellent cotton or be waterproof at all. This is something you only want to buy once and have it for a lifetime. So stay clear of that fast fashion stuff. You want your trench coat to not only be, stylish and aesthetic, but also functional as well. And you're not going to get that with a cheap, polyester flimsy like fabric or whatever the hell they're using these days. Now, I linked some good ones in the description for you guys to check out, and some of them are on sale right now, surprisingly. This one right here, I actually got it from Banana Republic like 5 years ago. It was like $300, and now I have this navy one from Burberry. This one's like a nylon one, very good, and it has like a warm liner. All these have warm, have like a Primaloft liner. This one has a wool liner, and that's the thing you're not gonna get with fast fashion crap. They don't have any liners or anything that helps you stay warm or protected from the rain. But yeah, guys, that wraps up this video. Make sure to check out the links below, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.